Hi, this is RailFan Rob Mosley. This is my 97 Cadillac Seville, which I just got back day before yesterday after having some mufflers put on it. I'm actually selling the car. 87,000 original miles, North Star V8. But I had some work done by Alternative Exhaust Solutions over on Blackman St. I just want to show you the good job he did. Let me start it up. So he did replace the mufflers only, and he used the factory tips. He did a good job on this Flowmaster FX mufflers. That's the air pump for the shocks. He did a good job on it though. $300, 2 mufflers. He did a really good job on it, and while I'm at it, I might as well show you this is my 2006 Impala that I had work done by him also, where I had mufflers put on this as well. He put the Flowmaster mufflers on it. No, it's not starting up. Hold on. I have to lower the hood here. See, I have a squirrel living up under the hood here. So it's just a little shout out to Wes over at Alternative Exhaust Solutions. So again, he did this work to match the pipes beautifully to the cutouts. And here's the Flowmaster mufflers on this as well. I had this done a few years back on that, but I forgot how much he charged me for this. I think this was roughly, I want to say $200, because he was having a special on the mufflers at the time. But if you ever need any exhaust work done, see Wes at Alternative Exhaust Solutions on Blackman Street in Wilkes-Barre Township. You won't be sorry.